Come allow me to show the manufacturing of the most debatable beast.
At the edge of civilization's steel backbone, a giant awakens. From above, the scale becomes overwhelming, an endless maze of industry. Every pipe, every valve carries the breath of power. Thousands of lives move in rhythm with the machines they serve. As the gates open, the heart of the factory begins to beat. Inside these corridors, precision rules over silence. One switch, and an entire world comes alive.
Beneath the surface, raw energy surges into motion. Pressure releases like the breath of a sleeping giant.
This is not just a factory. It is an empire of motion.
Everything begins here, in the form of raw, unforgiving metal. Each lift moves the weight of destiny itself.
At extreme temperatures, solid metal becomes liquid fire. Controlled chaos flows through channels of steel. Fire meets cold, and energy explodes into light.
Relentless heat reshapes the future with every second.
Rows of furnaces roar like chained volcanoes.
Every drop of molten metal carries unimaginable power. Even the air must fight to survive these temperatures.
Sparks dance like stars inside an artificial night.
Machines here do not hesitate. They obey only precision. Human eyes watch from behind layers of protection.
Fire paints silhouettes of unstoppable motion. At a microscopic level, the metal is still alive. Steam rises as the metal begins to cool and harden. Force is applied with calculated violence.
Every impact reshapes matter itself. Hydraulics drive power through steel like muscle and bone.
Rhythm replaces chaos in mechanical perfection.
An army of presses works without rest.
Now precision replaces brute force.
Every cut is guided within fractions of a millimeter. Robots move faster than human reflexes.
Automation transforms effort into efficiency. Metal screams as it gives way to the blade.
Human judgment remains the final authority.
Even perfection must be examined. Numbers decide the fate of every component.
Data replaces guesswork in the age of machines.
Only flawless pieces move forward.
Once again, the metal returns to fire. Conveyors carry glowing matter through controlled infernos.
Temperatures are watched like vital signs.
Heat bends the air like invisible waves.
In darkness, fire becomes the only light.
Extreme heat meets instant cold.
Steam erupts as energy escapes in rage.
In a fraction of a second, the metal is transformed.
Cooling lines stretch like rivers of vapor.
From glowing red to hardened black.
Rough surfaces are refined into precision finishes. Protective coatings seal strength within. Mist wraps each piece like a final armor.
Every droplet settles with calculated perfection.
Finished components march toward their destiny.
Now the machines are judged by the machines. Light and data become the new measuring tools.
Every surface is scanned, mapped, and approved.
Engineers translate metal into information.
Nothing escapes the digital eye.
Approved components are sealed for transport.
Storage stretches farther than the eye can see. Every crate carries identity and purpose. A warehouse of silent strength stands ready.
Even at night, the factory never truly sleeps.
Time itself bends to the will of industry. Control panels glow like stars in mechanical darkness.
One man stands between order and catastrophe.
Outside, warning lights guard the sleeping giant.
Morning returns with clouds of rising steam.
One shift ends, another begins, without pause.
The cycle starts again.
Power flows once more, at the touch of a switch.
Steel awakens with the sun.
From above, the true scale is revealed. Smoke drifts like a signature of power.
Silence settles after relentless motion. Dust and light dance in the aftermath of creation.
This is the world where metal is born and power is shaped.